I suppose let's start off with that Q1 number that we saw there. 3.1% growth is what we're looking at overall, and it was a nice figure that came through. It was also a pleasing figure if you look at the trend that we saw in the mining data, an improvement there. We still saw mining output falling back, but are you looking at perhaps data that is going to come through and signaling an economy that is on an improving trend right now? And how concerned are you around what's taking place globally?
Yes, we are actually very grateful that the economy grew by 3.1% on the first quarter. And when you look at it, we find that a third of our output comes from the diamond mining sector. So that is actually very good. When you look at the outlook, we do rely heavily on the diamond sector, and we remain hopeful that the international markets will stabilize and hence improve the demand in the mining sector.
Okay, so let's move our focus to Bank ABC. It's, of course, listed on the exchange. Rights issue underway. Currently, it launched yesterday till July the 27th. You're looking at the rights coming in at 4.28 pula, which is a discount to the share price right now. What type of subscription are we likely to see during this rights issue? Do you think that that's a compelling price for any shareholders?
Yes, I believe it is. And when you look at compared to the market at the current market price, the price is 4 plus 60 tebe, and they're offering it at 4.28, which is at a quite good discount. So I think a lot of shareholders will take that up.
And the prospects, the outlook for the company, because looking to use this money to fund expansion in Zimbabwe, in Botswana, solidify market share there. Also looking at meeting minimum capital requirements in Zambia and turning around Tanzania. So money going across those markets. Do you like what the company wants to use the money for? Yes,
I think it's very good because they see the point of having to move aggressively into providing banking services, and also the importance of actually diversifying their portfolio into different markets. So I think it's really good.
Staying on the banking front, Letshego has been a stock that has come under some supply-side pressure. A lot of supply-side stock on that share right now, but it is trading at around 140 pula, which some say is an attractive price. But why are people selling the share, basically?
At the moment, there is a huge chunk in the market, and then other investors could be looking for exposure in other markets or in different stocks. And also, we look at a stock that started at about 1 pula levels, and it went up to about 17 pula per share before this share split. So I think some of the investors have made that profit and are looking for investments elsewhere. But looking at the stock itself, it's still fundamentally a very good stock.
Still fundamentally a good stock, but then why are they looking to diversify out of it and into other banking stocks or other stocks outside of the BSE?
You find that they have made, some of the investors have actually made that profit, and they're actually very satisfied with that, and therefore it's important for them to move into other areas.
Thanks so much for joining us today. That was Tshepiso Bakwadi joining us from Motswedi Securities.